Want to schedule an entire year's worth of WordPress content in just a few hours and let AI do the heavy lifting? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to generate bulk article ideas with ChatGPT, add those posts to your WordPress site using an intuitive editorial calendar, and plan your content 1 year in advance. By the end, you'll have a steady stream of scheduled posts, saving yourself countless hours and keeping your blog fresh and consistent. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, we need an easy way to see and organize our posting schedule. In WordPress, head over to the Plugins section on your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens in terms of extending your site's power. Click Add Plugins and in the search field type Editorial Calendar. This is a free plugin and an absolute lifesaver for anyone managing more than just the occasional post. Go ahead and install it, then activate it. Installing plugins might sound intimidating, but it's really just a couple of clicks, and you'll instantly unlock new features on your site. With the editorial calendar installed, you'll now want to actually use it. Navigate to Posts on your WordPress sidebar and you'll see a calendar view. This is where you'll visualize when each post goes live. It's kind of like having a bird's-eye view of your entire posting schedule. You can literally drag and drop posts to different days, which is so much easier than battling with lists or spreadsheets. Now you probably need content to fill up that calendar right here, where the real game changer comes in. Head over to ChatGPT. This AI tool can draft content ideas faster than you can sip your coffee. Simply create a prompt like, "Give me bulk blog post topics for 1 year about food," or substitute with whatever niche interests you. Don't be afraid to get really specific if you'd like asking for monthly themes or post types. ChatGPT will generate a list of topics that you can use as a roadmap for your content. Once you've got your content ideas from ChatGPT, it's time to bring them into your WordPress editorial calendar. Copy each post idea and start adding a new draft for each day you want to schedule. It might feel a little repetitive, but take your time here. The beauty is, you're setting up a full year of posts ahead of time. Trust me, that future you is going to thank you every single week when posts go out automatically and your audience stays engaged. A quick tip, if you'd like to level up your posts with visuals, ask another AI tool or use ChatGPT's image sidekick to generate relevant images. For example, for a blog about recipes, ask for photos of mouthwatering dishes and add those images as you set up your posts. High-quality visuals really help your posts pop, especially if you share your articles on social media. With your ideas and images ready, all you need to do is create a post on the specific days in the calendar. Enter your content, upload your images, and schedule each one according to your plan. This part might take a little time up front, but once you find your rhythm, you'll be flying through an entire year's worth of content in a fraction of the time it would take to write and post one article at a time. Remember, you can always revisit ChatGPT for more topic ideas or tweak your calendar if your plans change. There's no penalty for adjusting your schedule. Think of this as a living, evolving content plan, and that's it. You've set yourself up for success by generating, organizing, and scheduling content in advance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to drop your questions or share your experience in the comments. I love hearing how these tools work for you. And if you want even more practical tutorials for growing your site or business, hit that subscribe button for weekly guides. See you in the next video.